Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This reading is about your person's current feelings and their intentions towards you for the month of April. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person's current feelings. Aries, their current feelings. Their current feelings. Page of Wands and Seven of Wands under the deck. So maybe you both have age differences between both of you, and one person is very good looking and they want to communicate with you. Yes, maybe they are watching you. So let's see their current feelings. Aries, the first card, Two of Cups. So Aries, this is mutual love. You both have equal love towards each other. There is love. Definitely your person loves you and you also loves them. There is love between both of you. And Nine of Pentacles and Strength and Knight of Wands. So Nine of Pentacles, your person is already financially very stable. For some, your person may be right now working on their career, towards their career, financial. And your person is very independent and they don't depend on anyone, either emotionally or financially. They are very independent person, your person. And Strength, and the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Leo. Strength, yes, they are very independent and they stand by their power. Maybe they recently achieved this balance in their life. And Knight of Wands. So your person is very passionate about you. There is lot of passion. They are very attracted to you. Knight of Wands energy. There is love. There is passion between both of you. Maybe if you are in separation with your person, maybe right now they are working on their self growth. If you are in separation, but they are very passionate about you. To be honest, I am not seeing any separation right now. Maybe for some it is on and off connection. But there is love. There is mutual love between both of you. Yes, there is lot of passion. Your person is very passionate about you. If you are in separation, they are getting their strength to come towards you because they are very passionate about you. They are planning to make a move towards you if you are in separation. I think you both could be soulmates also. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see their intentions towards you. Aries, your person intentions. Their intentions towards you. Wow. I think the Hierophant under the deck, they are thinking about commitment. They are thinking about marriage with you. So if you are in separation with your person, yes, there is communication is coming. Their intentions are they want to communicate with you and they want to marry you. Because the Hierophant, they are thinking about marriage with you and stability with you. And Seven of Cups. Maybe right now your person may be confusion. They are in so much confusion. Because for some your person may be at some crossroads. They have to make some decision. Two of Cups with Seven of Cups. So if you are in separation, now they are realizing that you are their soulmate. But maybe for some your person have options also, Seven of Cups. But they will get clarity that you are their soulmate, because the star card is here. There is something positive is coming in this relationship, and your person thinking about you very very positively, and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius especially. So Eight of Wands, their intentions is communicate with you. There is progress in this connection in a very positive way. Yes, there is, in near future there will be back and forth communication between both of you, because their intention is Eight of Wands. Maybe they're planning to come, they're planning to see you. Maybe you both live in different cities, different countries or different states. There is some journey also involved in this connection for some. And Ace of Cups again, Two of Cups and Ace of Cups in this reading. Definitely there is so much love. Your person loves you so much. Maybe in past they have some confusion regarding this relationship. Now they are getting clarity. So they want to communicate with you. They want to offer their cup of love to you. Their love towards you is overflowing. They want to take this relationship to next level, because the Hierophant is here. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on. I'm saying upgrade in relationship. Aries. Wow, Six of Cups. Three of Swords. High Priestess. The Lovers under the deck. I think this is a spiritual connection between both of you. Even though you both are separated, when you are in no contact situation, you still both are connected each other. You both are connected spiritually. And Six of Cups, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. You both are thinking about each other a lot and missing each other a lot. Maybe for some you are in separation, you both are missing each other a lot, because Three of Swords with Six of Cups. For some, you both are right now in separation, but you both want reconciliation. You both connected spiritually. And High Priestess, I think for some you both are manifesting each other also. This is a strong spiritual bond between both of you, and there is love. There is love between both of you, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. Lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yes, mutual card, Five of Cups with Four of Cups under the deck. I think right now you both are in separation, guys. You both missing each other. You both feeling sad. You both feeling missed opportunity with each other. Definitely you both are missing each other a lot. You both are on the same page. You both are mirroring each other a lot. Aries. But in near future, definitely your person intention to communicate with you, and they still have high hopes on this connection, because the star is here. They still have high hopes. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Messages from your person and Aries. Family issues. I need some space now. Religious factors. Oh my God. Retreat. And this person is naked. Trust issues. For some, the separation had happened between both of you. Trust issues. Maybe one person could be a player in this connection. Maybe for some family issues, and for some religious factors also. For some trust issues. It could be any reason, but the messages are family issues, religious factors, and this person is sneaky, and I need some space now, and trust issues. Lot of negative. So maybe your person always in and out of your life. Maybe there is no consistency. That's why maybe you decided to walk away. But Now recognizing their mistake, they're realizing their mistake. Now they want to communicate with you. Yes. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you.